I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and behind me are some of the fields which the Labour Party said they were going to save just before the 2012 council elections. Now, when Carwyn Jones announced that Labour were going to implement their local development plan, I said that these fields were under threat. Carwyn Jones said that that was wholly untrue and a blatant lie. The AM for Cardiff West, Mark Drakeford, said that the First Minister had set the record straight and that my scaremongering was disgraceful. Well, yesterday, on the 20th of January 2016, Cardiff Labour Party passed their plan to concrete these fields behind me and build on many other greenfield sites across the city. On May the 5th, everybody has the opportunity to pass judgment on those politicians and how they misled us. If you vote Plaid Cymru, and if we have a Plaid Cymru government, we will initiate legislation to stop the Cardiff development plan going through and being implemented in its present format. We'll change it. Secondly, what I'm doing now is challenging the Cardiff local development plan using the Future Generations Act and also a judicial review. I'm asking you to vote Plaid Cymru on May the 5th so we can stop this plan in its tracks through the Assembly, and secondly, to support us in taking legal action through the Future Generations Act and via judicial review to stop this madness. The fight isn't over. Come and join us. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.